In this tutorial, we will make a parametric tent structure. Let's start. Go to File, New Family, go to Metric, and select Metric Generic Model Pattern Base. Okay, open. Next, let's change the unit. Change the unit to meters, 2 decimal places. Okay. Okay. Next, select the grid. Change the value to 10 meters, both horizontal and vertical spacing. Okay. Next, go to reference point, select draw on work plane, then set work plane, and pick reference point. Set work plane, pick reference point. Set work plane, set, and pick reference point. Set work plane, set, and pick reference point. Cancel the command, select all, go to filter, check none, select reference point. Okay, pick the button in the offset, create new parameter, then type height. Okay. Okay. Next, go to family types. Let's change the height to 3 meters. Apply. Okay. Select the 2 reference point. Spline through point. Pick spline through point. Then check reference line. Select 2 reference point. Then spline through points. Check reference line. Select 2 reference point. Select spline through points. Select, Control Tab, select, make it reference line. Okay. Select 2 reference point. Spline through points. Check reference line. Next, select reference point. Select draw on face. Pick at midpoint. Pick at midpoint. Okay. Pick at midpoint. Pick. Then pick. Okay. Next, pick at midpoint. Also in the other side, pick. Okay. Now, test. Okay, good. Okay. Select reference point. The 2 reference point. Okay. spline through points, then check reference line, select 2 reference point below, select spline through points, check reference line, select reference point, pick at midpoint, okay. Next, select reference point, okay. Select the 2 spline through points, check reference line, okay. Select the center reference point and select reference point, spline through points, check reference line. Select the center reference point, okay. Select reference point, select spline through point, check reference line, okay. Select reference point, the 2 reference point, spline through points, select reference line. Now select the top center reference point, select the corner reference point, spline through points, check reference line, okay. Select the top center reference point, select reference point, spline through points, check reference line, select reference point, select reference spline through points, check reference line, select reference point, select spline through points, check reference line, okay. Let's rotate a little bit so we can see the center point clearly. Next, reference point, pick reference point, okay. Select the 2, select normalize curve parameter, pick the button, create new parameter, type NCP1, okay. Select the reference point, let's change it to N so it the same with the other reference point. So make the value, change the value to 0.3, okay. So they have the same now. Select reference point, pick okay. Select the 4 reference point, okay. Next, go to normalize curve parameter, pick the button, create new parameter, type NCP2, okay. Next, change the value of NCP2 to point 1. Okay, let's select this one, so change it to N. Okay, so all the same now, all the 4 reference point. Go to beginning. Okay, go back to N, so they all the same position. Okay, let's go to family types, change the value of NCP to 2.1, apply. Okay. Next, select reference point. Okay, select. Why is that? Let's rotate the view. Okay, now select reference point. Okay, select and select. Okay, select the reference point, the 2 reference point. Go to normalize curve parameter, pick the button and select NCP1. Okay, next, let's orbit the view. Okay, select this reference point, change it to N, so they have all the same position. Next, NCP1, change it to 0.3. Okay, let's go back to 3D. Spline through point. Okay, make sure draw on face selected, pick, cancel, select the spline, check reference line. Okay, spline through points, pick and pick. Okay, cancel the command, select the spline, check reference line. Okay, rotate the view. Okay, spline through points, pick, then pick, cancel command, select spline, check reference line. Okay, go back to the view, select the 3 spline. Next, create a form. Okay, let's change the parameter, make the height 5 meters. Okay, let's change NCP1 to 0.4, apply. Okay, NCP2, let's change it to 0.15. Okay, next, let's load up the 2-point adaptive component. Okay, for the support. Okay, select, open. Okay, let's load this to the project. Family 1. Okay. Again, select place on face. Okay, let's zoom it out. Okay, select at reference point. Okay, select, cancel. Okay, so load the component again, pick, drag, pick at the reference point, then pick. Okay, next, pick at reference point, then pick. Okay, next, pick reference point, then pick, cancel. Now let's rotate the view. Okay, insert the component, pick at reference point, then pick. Okay, it's finished. So let's try to change the value. Let's say NCP 2.3. Okay, good. Back to 0.15. Okay, now let's save the family. Let's save it to the desktop. Change the name to Tensile Structure. Save. Okay, close. Let's do it again. Save. Tensile Structure. Save. Okay, load into project and close. Okay, now let's try to make that component. Go to massing inside, in place mask. Okay, mask 2. So select a rectangle, select any size you want. Okay, let's say, then finish the mask. Okay, select, edit again, go to 3D. Okay, select the rectangle, create a form. Okay, now select the bottom surface. Okay, the bottom surface. Okay, divide surface. Okay, change the U grid number to 1 and the B grid number to 1. Okay, then select the pattern, the one we did, the Tensile Structure. Okay, select. Okay, and component flip. Okay, good. So you can select the component, the pattern, go to edit time, and you can change the height, say 3 meters. Okay, good. Okay, let's finish the mask, save the project. Okay, let's turn up the show mask. Okay, so you have the Tensile Structure. Now let's go to perspective. Okay, so you have the Let's go to edit type. Let's change the NCP1 to 0.1. Apply. Okay, good. Okay, next let's try to insert the component directly to the project. Okay, just select place on work plane, so you need to pick for, okay, pick and pick. Okay, finish, select the component, flip. Okay, now we have the finished 3D model. Thank you.